Hello, I'm Sara, the creator of Sewing Therapy, and I invite you to sew along with me. The denim maxi skirt is once again trending, so it's the perfect time to upcycle one from an old pair of jeans. There's some effort required to create this skirt, but the process and the result are incredibly satisfying. Let's get started. Choose a pair that you no longer wear and want to transform into skirt. You will need a sewing machine, fabric shears, pins or fabric tape, a fabric marker, and a seam ripper. Optional are denim thread, a denim needle, a serger seam ripper, and pinking shears. Mark the desired length at which you want your skirt to end, and cut. Leave a little extra length if you plan to add a hem. Unpick all the way around the inseam. If you don't want to keep the seam detail, you can simply cut off the inseam. You might be lucky like me this time, and the top stitch will be unpicked very easily. To properly use a seam ripper, insert the end with the red ball into the stitch you want to remove and push gently. Be cautious not to cut the fabric. To remove the serging stitch, I like to use a serger seam ripper. This step can be a bit trickier than removing regular stitches, so go slow and practice patience. To make the skirt flat, cut the crochet seam and lay the crochet part towards one side. It's time to create the skirt shape. You can make a straight skirt or an A-line skirt. To make an A-line skirt, you will need to open the slits wider. Once your skirt is the desired shape, pin or tape. And repeat for the back. While optional, using matching denim thread and a jeans needle will help the top stitch look more polished. It's finally time to sew. When sewing any bulky seams, you will need a hump jumper to help your machine. I like to use my needle case as a hump jumper around the bulky corners. You can finish the skirt here, or let me show you how to add creativity to the skirt by blocking the slits with fabric scraps. Cut the scraps to size, then pin or tape. And sew. In case you don't block the slit, sew as close to the edge as possible to prevent fraying. You can let your creativity shine and use various fabrics and shapes to create a block that is uniquely you. I decided to use some scrap gingham fabric to embellish the pocket and the slit block, and I love how it turned out. For any excess fabric inside the skirt, use pinking shears to trim, and your new skirt from old jeans is done. I hope you enjoyed sewing along with me and that your creativity was sparked to recreate new from old. Thank you for joining me on Sewing Therapy for CBC Life. Until next time, 안녕!